So welcome back to WhatGear, and today it's the sound test on the Sony X. So welcome back to WhatGear Reviews. Today we're doing the sound test on the Sony SRS XB32 versus three other speakers which I just happen to have, and we'll see how it sounds. All of these speakers are going to be playing at max volume. I've got a H4n mic positioned about 2 meters away from the speakers. They're all going to be playing the same songs. Let's see how they all sound, and then I'll give you my opinion on how the Sony sounds at the end of this video. So let's go. So this is a song called Hitmaker. It's from Dammer Beats. You can check him out on the Epidemic sound. I'll leave a link below this video if you guys want to check out Epidemic. Let's start with the bows. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that sound test. I did the best I could with the speakers that I have. I'll give you my opinions on each one, and let's start with the Bose SoundLink. This one isn't quite as loud as the Sony or the UE Boom, but maybe has one of the best all-round sounds. You can't really configure it any different than it is out of the box. On top of that, the ruggedness you get from the device isn't quite the same as any of the others, but a very nice speaker to have around the house. So the Flip 4 for me has one of the nicest sounding bass, and I think it's because of the sort of passive radiators at the side. The volume, max volume, isn't quite as loud as the UE Boom or the Sony, but the bass is one of the best alongside the Sony. Great speaker, very, very durable, and it's even got this nice little wrist strap as well, which is cool. So you can hang it up from a palm tree or something if you're on the beach. Great speaker, really love this. The UE Blast. Now this isn't the UE Boom, it's the UE Blast, and again, very, very rugged. And I think when it comes to 360 sound, this is going to be the best. The only place the sound doesn't really come from is the back here. That's why I've switched it round in the video. Design wise, not the most beautiful looking speaker, but it's great. It is a good speaker, and it supports Alexa as well, which is really, really cool. I honestly think this might be one of the loudest. This and the Sony are very, very close in loudness, but it suffers a bit on the bass side. I think the Flip 4 and the Sony are better in bass. So the new Sony XB32, great bass, great volume, one of the loudest out of the ones I just tested. Very good all round. And then on top of that, within the app, you can actually customize the EQ a bit. So you can change it up a bit and make it sound more like the Bose if you wanted to. And then on top of that, you got the light pattern with the Fiestable app. You can customize it, and you can even use the Fiestable app to sort of move your phone around. And when you move your phone around, it changes the light patterns and stuff like this. And you can also use it to skip tracks. So that's pretty cool as well. I didn't mention that in my review. I should have. A great speaker, some nice new upgrades. I actually do recommend this one. Right now, prices are going to be a little bit higher than the other ones, but you get a bit more for your money, especially that flux capacitor on the side. Really like that. Great speaker. I hope you guys enjoyed this sound test. And if you're wondering why the camera's a bit wobbly right now, it's because I'm filming it with the selfie cam on the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you want to check out some videos on that phone, it's a really awesome phone. Follow these thumbnails at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Don't be late.